Okay, so let's take a quick overview of what SilverStripe has to offer out of the box. So this is a fresh install with a simple theme. So what you get is one page type. You can see it is simple. We've got a header and footer with the main content area here. So this is the home, about, and contact. This is all by default. It actually gives you a good start into how the themes work and how the file structure works. So if I take a look at the actual code of this base install, I'm just using NetBeans here as my editor. So as you can see, these are the source files. So we have assets, CMS, framework, my site, and themes. They're the main directories that we'll be working with. So assets, as you would expect, it's the main upload section of the website. Anything that gets added to the website via the CMS that's where it will be stored. So we have CMS. This is the actual files that are used to create the CMS. So the file structure here is very similar to the My Site file structure, which is what you would use to build your actual website. So we'll just go through one by one. So the CMS is the files used to actually build the CMS. Then we have framework. By default, SilverStripe comes with a framework which is called Sapphire. It's an in-house framework, very robust, very easy to use, and this is the sort of the main centerpiece of the whole SilverStripe structure. Your website files will be built against the framework, and the CMS here, this is built against the framework as well. So this is the sort of the integral piece of the puzzle, really. So My Site, in here, this is where all your views, sorry, not your views, your controllers and models will be. So you'll code in here, and then that code will be implemented in the theme typically. So we have themes. Currently we've got the simple theme installed, and obviously you'll have your CSS, images, JavaScript files. SilverStripe has its own templating engine, which is quite easy to get your head around. If you've used any other templating engines, something like Smarty, you'll soon get to grips with how the templating engine works. Okay, so they're the files and the folders. So let's see if we just jump back in here. So we're currently in the Contact Us page. Let's take a quick peek at the CMS itself. So if we just go the site, then /admin, get the login. Let's take a quick look. So on the left hand side here, this is where you navigate between main sections of the CMS. So as you can see, we've got pages, files, reports, sections, security, settings, and help. Help takes you off site to the help files. So there's plenty in here if you're an end user, really, if you're a content editor or administrator. Alternatively, if you are a developer, you can just use doc.silverstripe.org, which takes you to all the help files here, tutorials, which we'll be working through later. So this is a really good reference guide. Okay, so if we take a look at pages here, these are the pages currently on our website, and this top breadcrumb navigation bar actually just tells you where you are. So if we jump into files, reports, so you can see it just lets you know nice and easily where you are. So if we go into about, and this is the main content area. This is where all the editing gets done. So you can see, so let's take a look at the home page. Very easy to understand and get around. You can see that once you get in there and you're training a client, they're going to find this very intuitive and very easy to use. So nice simple navigation structure, and we have metadata out of the box here. You got your description and then any other meta tags that you want to add. So yeah, I won't take you through all these, but you can see how nice and easy it is to use, how intuitive. Okay, I'll leave it there for this one. Stay tuned for the next one.